Hi, it's Ariella Vaccarino with Voice Lessons to Go and Ariella's Vocal Notes. I am sitting in my car waiting for one of my kids, which I have to do often. I'm often driving my kids places and waiting for them. I have about 15 minutes, and 15 minutes is really no time. I mean, what can you do in 15 minutes? Well, in singing, there is a lot you can do in 15 minutes. I think a lot of times we think we need a full hour or more to practice our voice. We need to stretch, we need to do gentle humming and lip trills, then we need to go into this big amount of vocalizing and try and build our stamina with our voice. Then we start singing through repertoire, we start learning new songs, and then we have to sing through all our songs, and then we're into like an hour of time, which is amazing and wonderful when we have it. But realistically, we don't always have an hour of time. Sometimes we only have 15 minutes in our car, but 15 minutes is enough to make a difference in your voice. Now that I'm going to do a bit of a vocal warm-up to show you what you can do to actually get your voice somewhere. These are all things you can do in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes by yourself to get your voice warmed up. Here we go. So simple number exercises for beginners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's something real simple you can do alone in the car. And if you don't have the accompaniment helps. Voice Lessons to Go has all that for you. But if you don't have it, you sing the 5 notes and then you hum up to the next key. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then I start there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then I hum here and then keep going. You can do a broken chord like that. 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. Talked about lip trilling. Something so easy to do in your car. There's breathing exercises that I can be doing in my car. I could be doing the panting exercise, and I have a full video on that you can watch. While sitting in my car, you practice going through different vowels. I could be doing yawn sighs, or humming. Or I could take up more of a vocal siren on ooey, ooey, ooey. All of this is going to get my voice warmed up. So I'm going to use the rest of my minutes now. I'm going to hum a little bit. I'm going to do some breathing exercises, and then I'm going to pick up my kid and go on with my day. But then I will feel that I have been productive. And that's great when you're a singer, because then you do have something that you can work on all the time when you're waiting around. And any amount of vocal warm-up that you do will help to set your voice in a good spot for the rest of the day. Even 5 minutes. 5 minutes of singing can really warm up your voice. 5 minutes of breathing exercises can engage your abdominals, your abdominal muscles, so that when you're speaking, you're in a good spot. So then when you do warm up, everything's already going to be in a good spot. Nothing's going to be damaged from speaking incorrectly for the first 3 hours of your day, because you've already gotten your muscles going. Same thing with exercises. If you were to do leg lifts 5 minutes every day, there would be an improvement. You would notice strength, you would get a little thinner in that area. If you would do 10 minutes of abs every day, you would start working towards getting that six-pack. It's the same with singing. These are muscles that need to be worked. I'm Ariella Vaccarino with Voice Lessons to Go. VoiceLessonsToGo.com has all my stuff, and please feel free to subscribe and press the little bell for notifications so you find out about all my new videos. I am on Patreon if you want to support that. That would help me run my videos. Sing well, everyone.